Carrie, welcome back to my channel. So I've been wanting to go light blonde for such a long time, but I've been telling myself, you know, it's not gonna look right on me, so I just never did it. But I kind of changed my mind and I actually decided to just give it a try. If it doesn't look good on me, then at least I attempted to go light blonde. I saw what it looked like on me and it just doesn't work. So we'll see what happened. But the hair that I'm gonna be using is from Ali Annabelle, and it's their straight blonde human hair wig. This is what it looks like straight out the package. So this is what it looks like on me straight out the package. Don't get scared, this is not the color that I'm going for. I'm actually gonna color this wig to the blonde that I prefer, but this, I just wanted you to see what it looks like fresh out of the package. So this is the Ali Annabelle 613 Brazilian straight lace front human hair wig. The lace is 13 by 6 inches. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline along with baby hairs. It is 150% density and the length I got was 20 inches. As you can see, this does come with 4 combs and adjustable straps. The lace on this is very soft. It is light, so I had to add a little bit of foundation to the lace just for it to blend with my skin complexion. But as far as how it feels, the lace is very soft. So I'm gonna go color it. Stay tuned for that and we'll see what happens. I'll show. So the first thing that I did to this wig was to customize the hairline. This is completely optional. You can definitely leave it the way it is, but I like to go in and pluck around the hairline just to make it a little bit more natural looking. My next step was to protect the lace from the color. So what I did was I took the Got2b Glue Blasting Freeze Spray, sprayed it all over the lace, and it worked really well. This was my first time doing it and I was pleasantly surprised at how good it actually worked. So I just kept on spraying until everything was coated. After that, I used a handheld blow dryer just to set the spray in place and to make sure it was dry. So I got 3 boxes of the Revlon Color Silk box dyes. 2 were golden blonde and then 1 was light ash brown. I also picked up the Clairol Nice and Easy dye in the color medium ash blonde. So my next step is to color the hair. I'm starting by doing the roots and I'm using the Revlon light ash brown to do the roots. All I'm doing is taking whatever is in the box, which is the color and the activator. I'm going to mix those together, shake it up, and then I'm going to pour it out into that white bowl. I'll be starting at the back of the wig and all I'm going to do is just apply the light brown color to the roots. I know it doesn't look brown now, but as the color develops, you'll see it get darker and darker. I was finished with the roots, I mixed the medium ash blonde and the golden blonde together and applied it to the rest of the hair. Now, I'm not a professional, so I'm pretty sure there's a better method of doing this, but this is what worked for me, so I just applied it all over the hair. I used my hands and also a comb to make sure that every strand was coated. like. Don't worry about the color as it is now, because once you wash it out, it'll be a lot lighter. The next step is to wash and condition the hair. After I finish washing out the hair, I just blow dried it, and this is what it looks like. Before I start the flat ironing process, I'm just going to cut off the extra lace in the front of the unit. That was done, I added a little bit of foundation to the lace just to make sure that it blends a little better with my complexion. I also added an elastic band for extra security and made a side part. So after putting the wig on my head, I'm going to just flat iron the hair. I'm doing the chase method with my brush and flat iron to make sure everything comes out nice and straight and smooth. I repeat this step over and over again until all the hair is straightened. I'm going to cut some layers in the front just to frame my face. Now I'm taking the Got2b Glue Freeze Spray and taping the hair in the front. Some Gorilla Snot gel just to slick down the baby hair. While I finish up the front of my hair, let me just share with you my thoughts on this unit. Overall, I like the hair. It took the color really well. The lace on this is actually really soft. It definitely has a great amount of parting space. I like the fact that you don't have to use glue to secure the wig. You can just use an elastic band, so you can take the wig off at night if you choose to. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline and baby hair, which is really good. I still had to go in and cut the baby hair a little bit shorter just for my preference. I got a medium cap size, so it fit my head perfectly. The only con is that the hair does shed, but on the website it does say that you can use a sealant to seal the hair in place. And also the lace is a little light, so you either have to dye the lace or apply a little bit of foundation so that it matches your complexion. All in all, I like the wig. I think the color came out great, especially for my first time. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, I leave all the information on this hair in the description box below this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.